All right, dear friends, you can see that a drawing is in progress. So it's a canvas. I've drawn the sky on the top, and there are some skyline, and you can see the high-rise buildings are visible at the bottom. Now I'm going to put a person sitting on a railing. For that purpose, let's draw the railing first. So I'm putting straight lines here and going to draw on top of these high-rise buildings. Okay, you can see a straight line. I'm going to draw with the brush in my hand. Maybe the straight line is going to be little bigger. Okay, all right, it's going to be little bigger. All right, so this is the top portion of the railing. Now I'm going to draw another railing, and that one it's tiny and bottom portion. So you can see two railing runs parallel to one another. Okay, let's complete the railing first. Then we're going to put the vertical objects, and these railing are standing on some vertical lines. You can see. Okay, one here. I'm going to draw another one here. Maybe. One here. Let's make it clearer. Okay. Another one here. Okay, and in the same distance let's draw another one here. All right, so while you paint you have to make your hand steady to make the paints looking straight, because you don't have any other supporting stuffs here to make the drawing straight. All right, so we need another railing here. Okay, this railing coming up, and the next railing is here onto this taller building. Okay, all right, so you can see here the railings. Okay, and let's put a person sitting on the railing. So we're going to draw the figure. All right, here in this point, let's put it here, and the figure is going to be like, first we draw the body. So the body has a unique shape, the upper part and the lower part. So now I'm going to put the lower part. Okay, and also doing the extensions on the other side. Okay. One leg is going to be like this was folding on the left side, so folded leg is little upward directions. and the other leg is going to be a little taller because it's just extended. Okay. Mm-hmm. All right, and the upper part, let's put it a regular shape of the shoulder. Mm-hmm. And one hand is extended here, which is going to hold the railing so that it doesn't fall, as she is wearing a dress, and the hand is coming up here. Mm-hmm. Okay, and for the right hand we are going to put it another directions. You can see that she is also holding the railing on the other side. Okay, and the body is complete. Now we're going to draw the head. Okay, so the little portion maybe in the middle, we're making it more darker, and you can see the drawing is almost complete. So the guy, okay, here let's see, because of the reflections of the light you can see, now you can see. Okay, we're going to uh, move the things before we complete the drawing. The rest of the color maybe we're going to put in the bottom to make it darker. All right, so the thing is that after the completions of the drawing, now let's have an outlook. How does it looks? Okay, so this is the this is the complete uh, presentations of the drawing. Mm-hmm. All right, so I hope you like the video. Actually the paintings, it's depends on the imaginations and the ideas. This is how it's done. So this kind of the situations happens in the city area. The people or the boys and girls, they usually sit on the railing and enjoy the night sky or the evening sky. And this is for today. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. Have a good day.